Hey, Sweet Pea, what are we doing? You playing? Yeah, let's go on this side, huh? Hey, what are we doing? You're supposed to be looking at the little ball, not over here. Silly goose. Did we weigh ourselves today? We weighed 9 pounds and 6 ounces. And we weigh a whole pound and an ounce more than we did when we were born, huh? That's a lot. That's a lot. In just a couple days, week and a half. You like to eat, don't you? As evidenced by your double chin. Yeah? Say hello. Hello.